Hi, my name is Dan Schoenberg. I'm the owner and chief technician at the Sewing Machine Shop in Walnut Creek, California. And today I'm taking a video of a Brother Model XL 2610 and showing you that these entry-level Brother sewing machines that you can find on the internet or in big box stores are just simply not worth the price. So I'm going to take off the front covers here, and I want you to take a look. And what should stand out here as you see this is that all the mechanical parts on this machine, critical hook there, you can see the shafts, the pattern mechanism, reverse mechanism, upper shaft, bobbin winder. They are all attached. There's the needle bar assembly. All of these mechanical parts are attached to the back plastic cover of the machine. Basically, the cover of the machine is also the housing. This machine basically has no steel housing. I'm going to pan over here to, this happens to be a Bernina, but it could be any machine. And you can see that like all the parts here are going into a one-piece or sometimes two-piece all steel aluminum housing. Any machine worth its weight in gold must have a metal housing. It is the most critical component. It's like building a house without a frame and foundation. So I would just conclude and say that you want to stay away from these lower end Brother sewing machines at all cost, because there's no way this sewing machine could have reliability and accuracy for too long. There's the all plastic cover in the rear, and then it is covered with another plastic cover in the front, making the sewing machine. If you'd like more information about what type of machine to purchase, you can call the Sewing Machine Shop at 1-800-300-4739. Thank you.